Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. It's an exciting video today with I Can Do It With a Broken Heart by Taylor Swift. This song only takes 5 chords to learn. So first we'll learn those chords, and then we'll check out how they work in some patterns, and then look at the song as a whole tutorial walkthrough. Let's get going. We start on a C major, easy peasy, C, E, G, C major, C, E, G. Big part of the song. We're gonna make sure we can take that to an F major, F, A, C. F major on F, A, C. That gets us through all of the verses, that C to that F. We'll go over that pattern in a second. Let's keep going through the rest of the chords. We have 3 more. A minor, A, C, E. This will start out all of the pre-choruses. G, G, B, D. We also need that in the pre-chorus and the chorus. G major, G, B, D. In the 5th and final chord, we need only one time at the very end when the outro gets all funky. We're going to use a B flat major. B flat, D, F. Just to turn that party a little bit right at the end, we use it one time. B flat major, B flat, D, F. Love it! Review those if you need. Let's get on to the patterns. There are 3 different patterns in this song. One for the verse, one for the pre-chorus, one for the chorus. Let's go through them one at a time. The verse, like I said, starts on C major, C, E, G. I can read your... Go to F, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Back to C, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. That's for the verses. Back and forth, 2 measures of each, or 8 counts. To start our pre-chorus pattern, we're going to begin on an A minor. Ready. 2 measures, here we go. A minor, 2 measures, go to F, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da, C, 2, 3, 4. Even when you want a G, he said he'd love. Let's try it again. A minor. We can pulse it. Go to F. Go to C. I was hitting my marks, 'cause I can do it with a broken. We're ready for the chorus. All right, the chorus starts on C, C, F, G, C. There's our chord order. So, broken heart, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, da 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 da, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, da 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 da, F, 2, 3, 4, G, back to C, 2, 3, 4, C. I cry a lot, but F, G, it's a nice C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. You can even do it with a broken. Go to that C, because it ends the chorus but starts the verse at the exact same time. Home key. Love that chorus pattern. Go through any of those 3 patterns again. That's how we get through the whole song. Let's try the song as a whole. All right, the song starts on C major. My left hand is going to play the roots, just meaning the name of the chord. So on C's, my left hand plays C. On F, my left hand adds an F for texture. All right, the song starts with that kind of synthy, just trilling of the C chord. Arpeggiation if you want, we don't totally need it, but the verse starts 5, 6, 7, 8, go. I can read your mind. 2 measures of each, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F. The verse pattern, back to C. pattern A minor to F, up to C, 'cause I can do it with a broken chorus. F, 2, 3, 4, G, every D, C, 2, 3, 4, C, F, G, I can play. Up to G, it's an R. About a final F to G, broken heart, verse 2. Less movement. I've been doing this since grade 11. C, F, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, pre-chorus. And I did lights, camera, smile, and stilettos for miles. As the crowd was chanting more, I was grinning like I'm winning. I was hitting my marks, 'cause I can 1, 2, 3, 4 chorus. About F, G, more movement. F, G, so productive. It's an R, F, with a broken heart. Outro. F, same pattern. F, G, ready, B flat. 2 measures down to A minor. G. There you have it. Practice any of that again with me. I'd love to. I'll see you next time. Play on.